Good evening everyone. Today we're looking at another Luminox watch. We could look at the Luminox Navy Seal dive watch today. So initially I thought Navy Seal watches came in a standard thin deployment case, but that's not the case. This one's got a bigger version, same sort of style format with that lightweight plastic finish. Material with this line, this indented line going across all of it, and a simple hinge. So here we go guys, this is the Luminox Navy Seal Dive 45mm. You've got a 13mm case thickness and retails £580 on the Luminox website, but you can get it I think £100 cheaper if you were to get it on Amazon. Take that off so we can see it better. Watch weighs 105 grams, probably due to its, that's quite heavy for Luminox, but it's probably due to the mixture of the stainless steel and the Carbonox bezel there going on. Operates on a Ronda 715 movement, and gives you a 25-year glow on the LLT, which is light illuminating technology. Let's have a look at the dial. So the dial itself is a plain matte blue style backdrop there to match to complement the navy strap nicely. A nice black bezel as well with lots of white detailing going on to make it a nice bold watch. A nice red hand as well. Follows the same sort of style as a 3601 limited edition model, the one I've got, and a nice date dial just sitting down there. Let's have a look at the lume. So I'm going to turn the lamp off to be able to see the lume, but you won't be able to see it for very long because the camera doesn't focus long enough. Right, so I'm going to turn that camera, that light off in 3, 2, 1. A nice green and orange lume, as we can see there. Orange for the the seconds hand, and green for the hour, and green for the seconds. Overall, a really nice watch with a nice red bit of detail in there to match the border of the Luminox logo. Going back to the bezel, we've got a nice thick bezel here with a unidirectional diver style bezel. Thick numbers as well to go on those. A decent clicker movement to it. Coming to the casing, we've got a 316 stainless steel style casing with a 316 stainless style crown as well, with crown protection added to the crown, as you can see from the raised edges here. Let's have a little look at the movement of that date dial. A decent movement to it. Not much effort needed to pull that crown out to those positions. It's a simple screwing down crown that's very short and very easy to use. Go around the back. The full Navy Seal back plate here for the Luminox watch, and a little bit more about the watch in terms of its waterproofness as well, which is 200 meters. The strap is a 22mm rugged style strap with a full Carbonox style buckle here. Let's take that strap out. The strap itself is 24 meters, as I said, and offers a nice gripper system on top of here with an indented style window system for the strap, allowing for no stretch over time and stuff like that, and 2 nice hinges to hold on to that strap nicely. You can get other colours for this strap on the Luminox website if you have a look. There are a few options to pick from. So there we go guys, that is the Luminox Navy Seal Dive 45mm.